I woke up this morning and I tried to call you, but you weren't there. You kinda put me in despair. So I thought that maybe I could lose my mind in the countryside. So I went for a ride, and I never stopped thinking about you. Found myself wishing you were there, just to be with me. Feel the breeze, sunny smile, I didn't care. I decided to try just one more time, let you know I really love you so. Before I arrived, I saw you go away with another guy. A tear filled my eye. I never stopped thinking about you. Found myself wishing you were there, just to be with me. Feel the breeze, sun smile, I didn't care. And the time has passed since the day I cried. Life is fine, and I'm doing fine. And I'm at home, and I feel all alone when I think of you. Trying to get a message through, and I never stop thinking about you. Found myself wishing you were there, just to be with me. Feel the breeze, summer smile, I didn't care.